Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to use Google Forms. So to do that, I'm heading over to the Chrome browser and in here, head over to this blocks of Google Apps and so here you will find Google Docs, head over there. From here, just go to the three lines icon on the top left and here you will find the option of Forms, head over there. Now in Google Forms, you can just directly use these templates. There are so many templates in here you can use from. So I'm currently doing a blank quiz. Uh, so heading over to this blank quiz. So in here, you can just add any description or add option or as much as questions you want. So this one in here, this one is for adding questions. This one is for importing questions. You can add title and descriptions, add some image, add video, and add section too. So from here, once you're done making a form, you can share it from here and then just you can see the responses and etc. So yeah, this is how easily you can use your Google Forms. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next video.